Ride in comfort and style with FH Group's striking striped seat covers. This eye-catching design is made of high-quality flat cloth polyester. It's stretchy, breathable, feather-light, and surprisingly durable. The striking look is designed not only to impress, but to also protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The matching rear seat covers are compatible with both solid or split bench seats. And the soft, high-quality fabric is backed by 3 millimeters of thick foam padding, providing that extra comfort you and your passengers deserve. Special stitching allows for safe side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. To top it off, the covers can accommodate traditional, heated, or cooled seats. Plus, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket to keep your personal items stored and within arm's reach. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 5 headrest covers. Choose from a wide variety of vibrant colors and personalize your ride today.